An update about the lister. Almost finished. I installed the manifolds as well, and wired an air cleaner as well. Only the flywheel and then injector pipe, and should be able to start. And then obviously we'll make a diesel tank and maybe a water tank. All three cylinders has good compression, and right now I am working on my Howard. It's not going to be a restoration, just a good service to be healthy for work. The engine is done. I have cleaned the water jacket and serviced the gearbox as well, cleaned and serviced. Now I am just doing the chain. The old bearing had the cage broken and a lot of wear, and installed the new one. There's the chain as well. To keep you updated along. Thank you.